I'm Talitha. We're ESTV and I'm out and about at the 2021 Wellbeing Week.
Well-being is about taking a moment and thinking about your feelings.
I think Well-being Week is getting some exercise and just relaxing yourself.
Hello, my name is Sojin and I'm from the Student Council. So in the Wellbeing Week, we've been trying to calm ourselves down and be healthy.
Hi, I'm Samira. In the Student Council, we've been taking pictures of students eating vegetables. We think this will encourage students to eat more vegetables as it is very healthy for them.
What are some of the ways you look after your own well-being?
Well, sometimes I just like to meditate or have a quiet moment by myself.
I go out to play or play some sports, or I just do some mindful coloring.
So we ate healthy snacks.
Why is it important to maintain your well-being?
Because if you don't maintain your well-being, your feelings will all build up and they'll all burst when you don't expect it. So you need to let your feelings out slowly.
So that we can stay healthy and live for a long time.
I think if we not look after our well-being, it could affect our health.
Looking after your well-being doesn't have to be something that is done alone. At our school, we've been very lucky to have school counselors who are always on hand to offer support and guidance to both staff and students. During this Wellbeing Week, we were lucky enough to speak with Miss Alex about her background and role as our current school counselor.
Hi Miss Alex, how are you?
Hi there, I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm doing great. Can you tell us what made you decide to be a school counselor?
Well, when I was at school, the school counselor at my school really helped me a lot. And that's what gave me a passion for wanting to be able to help children in that way too.
What do you think are one of the main issues students face today?
A lot of students come to speak to me about all different types of worries. I would say that some of the main things is that students feel like they have to be perfect or good all the time, and sometimes they feel like maybe they're not working hard enough with their schoolwork, or they're not, getting things as quickly as their other friends, and that can really make them feel bad about themselves. And also worries about friends. What do my friends think of me? Am I well liked? And big changes that are happening in your life. So a lot of kids come to talk to me when maybe they're moving home, or like our new students that have joined SJII, because it can be a really stressful time. And then I would say something else is maybe how to handle feelings and emotions. A lot of kids will come and speak to me about, when I feel angry, because we all get angry, that's normal. When I feel angry, what do I do? How do I respond to that? How do I be kind even when I'm having a grumpy day? So I would say that's the main things.
Pressure, expectations, change, emotions. We are so lucky to have you at our school, Miss.
Thank you. And please just remember that if ever anybody does want to come and visit me, my office is right in the reception building at school. And you're welcome. You can just ask around and someone will point you straight to my office.
I'm Talitha, we're ESTV, and I've been out and about at the 2021 Wellbeing Week. And on behalf of the ESTV crew, thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.